Hi everyone. In the previous video, we have read the data from the Firestore using real-time event listener, and today in this video, we will delete a document. So currently in our application, we have 5 events. I will delete this singing event through our code base. I have written this delete event function, and whenever I click delete event button, this delete event function will invoke. For deleting a document, we need the document ID. So this delete event method getting an ID as a parameter, and we are passing the ID from our button. If you want to explore the code, you can visit the repository. Let's go to dashboard. So for deleting a document, we have a function delete doc, and delete doc expects us a document. So first we need to fetch a document with the help of document ID. So for fetching a document, there is a method doc. So let's call that method doc, and this doc methods take three parameters. First is db reference. So this db reference we are importing from our Firebase file, and the second parameter is the collection name. So our collection name is events, and the third parameter is document ID. So let's pass the document ID. Let's console this doc, console.log, and paste our doc. Now let's check our UI. Click on the delete event. So we are getting a document, and the ID is matching with this ID that we are printing here. So now we have the doc. So let's call the delete doc method delete doc, and this delete doc expects the document. So let's pass the document, and this delete doc method returns us a promise. So let's handle that. Then if our documents get deleted, the then method will execute. So let's print successfully deleted in the console. So we don't receive any response after the successfully deletion of our document. So we are printing right now. You can show an alert according to your requirement, and if any error came, then we will catch it. So we will also console the error. Now let's check the UI. Clear the console first. Now let's delete this singing. So after clicking this delete button, our document is deleted from the Firestore, and this snapshot listener hits when document has been deleted, and it will update our UI. So this is how you can delete an event from the Firestore. So there is one more thing that I want to add. In the previous video, we have used an event listener, but when the component get deattached, we are not clearing this event listener. So let's pass this event listener in a variable const unsubs. So whenever our components get unmounted, we will return it. So by doing this, there will be no memory leak. So that's it for today's video. We'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.